get ready. All right, let's count them off, ladies and gentlemen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag, there we go.
Right now.
Wilson running in the ladies' all-star division. And it didn't take long for some damage to be done. Everybody picking on Sally. Oh, she pulled her stick down. Oh! That's Alex Curry out already. She pulled her stick down early. Must have had a problem with the car. Oh, there's a hard hit. 27 to the 590 action. Seeing the stick down on the 81. And we get the 32 up on the base. The 27 looking to line up the 519 and the 32 running like a scared rabbit. Could have been a good one. 27 looking for something to hit. Just can't find it in it. There we go. And the 519 into the back of the 27. Not realizing that the 81 is out of there. That's the second time. The 519 red flag. Red flag. We're just going to explain to the 519 that the 81 is no longer in the race. We're off and running again. Jumping the gun a little bit, but they're off and running. And the 32 with a miss on the GJ27. And another near miss. 32 just spins it in a circle. It's hard to hit a moving target, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. And the 27 trying to push the 32 to the bank. The 32 turns it. Wisely turns the wheels and gets away from the bank. And now the 32. Oh, there's a hard hit. And now they're stuck together, the 32 and the 27. And they get her moving.
Smoker! Hit her!
Oh, the 32 hit the 81. I think that was more an accident than anything. Whoa! 27 up on the bank now. 27 might have got herself stuck right here in front of the ground, right here in front of them.
Come on, girl!
And the 32 now climbing the bank.
That wasn't even a hit!
Hit
him sideways. Come on, hit!
Trying to find reverse in that car just one more time. With an aggressive hit to 32. Pounds to DJ 27 a little farther into the bank. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The checkered flag